Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me for a special blowout bonanza video. So I've been mentioning to you guys in some recent videos that I was going to do a major blowout sale. I'd like to call it out with the old and in with the new. It is time to get rid of these pieces off of my wall and onto your walls in your homes. So if you've ever wanted a piece or maybe another piece or a third or a fourth piece from me, I'm telling you, this is the time to get one because I am slashing prices big time because quite frankly, would I have loved to sell these at my normal regular price? Sure, of course. Did they sell? Nope. I feel like as the years go by, the market is just more and more saturated and more people are doing this. And, you can either do it yourself or buy it cheaper. And quite frankly, I'm okay with that. Like, it's fine. I get it. Times have changed. Things are not the same as they used to be 3 years ago when the boom was happening and everything was still new and exciting and new and not as many people were doing it. So, you know what? I still have fun doing it. I still love doing it. I still love teaching you guys in person here in my home studio or in the US when I travel over there. And I love still doing videos. But let's face it, it's time to drop the prices and it's time to get these things sold. So, that being said, these are all my paintings from the Color Split series, the gray Color Split series, and they are going to be marked off at least 60%. So I'm telling you guys, now is the time. So I'm going to show you what's on the table here. I'm going to put the video number in the bottom left-hand corner. It is going to be a first come, first serve basis with an email, okay? If you comment below, I will not see it. You will not get priority. I just won't see it, okay? So if you are interested in a piece, you have to email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com, okay? So email me and say, hey, I saw the video. I want video number yada, 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 painting from video number 123 or whatever. And then I will tell you the price and everything, and then we'll go from there. All prices are in Canadian currency and shipping is extra, okay? So let's start off. I'm going to show you everything that's on the table here, and then I'm going to move everything off the table and put the rest on because yes, there is more. So let's start here, and forgive the lighting. It's horrific and resin has a shine and you can see the reflection of my lights. So, you can always go to the video number on YouTube and check out how the video or the painting was created, okay? So let's start here. We've got the purple and gray split. Now these are all going to be 12 by 24 inches, okay? Unless I state otherwise. So 12 to 24 inch, and that is your purple one. We are moving along to this pretty in pink. So pretty. All right, again, lighting is not the best in here, my friends. Okay, so we've got again, unless otherwise stated, these are 12 by 24 inch, okay? Let's move it along over here to one of my favorites, of course, because it's blue, but it's that dark blue. You know, the dark blue that I did Anthony's painting with? So that is this one. All right, moving right along. Oh, there's a hair, it's gone. Moving along to the emerald greens. All right, pretty, pretty. Now everything's been resined, of course, with my favorite crystal resin. And then let's move along. We've got the baby blues. All right, again, 12 by 24 inch, unless otherwise stated. All right, moving right along, we've got our Bordeaux Burgundy wine. All righty. And then we have our neutrals. Let's go over here. We've got our chocolate caramel lattes. color palette over here. So we've got the browns. All right. Then mellow yellow, sunshine yellow. And you can see the that pearl cream by Arteza that I used in every single painting. All right, and then we have the gray and white combo. Okay. Gray and white, followed by the almost matching black and gray. So gray and white, gray and black. These would make a very good diptych together. All right, very nice diptych together. And then this one is not part of the series, obviously, but this one is also a 12 by 24. Okay. There you go. And then this guy is, oh gosh, a 14 by 18. Now this looks black, but it's actually permanent blue violet. So it's actually a really dark purple. And the pinks again, so this is a 14, is that a 14 by 18 or a 16 by 20? I can't remember, I'll have to measure it after. But there's that, and then there's this rainbow guy. It's a 10 by 20, so it's rainbow on a white base. Now I have the, listen up people, I have the exact same painting, same colors, 10 by 20, same rainbow colors on a black base. Now I don't have it here to show you because I actually packed it up and boxed it up because someone was gonna buy it. And then last minute they said no. So I packed it up all for nothing and I really didn't want to unpack it because it's all in a box ready to go. The only problem with that black one is right down here in the corner, there are two little cracks, like a line and a line of a crack in the resin because it fell off the wall when I had them hanging up here on the wall and it hit the corner and there's one little crack and another little crack. You can barely see it. I can show you a picture of it if you like. I did take a picture of the painting with the crack, but that one, because it's already packed up and it does have the crack on it, it is stupendously cheap, okay? It is very, very cheap because of the crack. So if you want to see a picture of that one, actually I'll put a picture of it here in the video so you can see it. But if you want to see a picture of the crack, I have that as well. But that one's going to be super discounted because of the crack. And like I said, I already have it packed up. All right, so those are my 12 by 24s in the color split series. Let me pause you guys. I'm going to put these all away and I'll be right back and show you what else I have. All right, so I've swapped everything out, put everything back up on the wall. All right, and so let's start here. So this is an 16 by 20, and this does not have a video number, so let's call it sample 1. I made this during one of my classes here in my home studio. It is on a level 1 canvas, so it's not on a level 3 gallery wrapped canvas. It's on a level 1, so this one obviously is going to be a lot cheaper as well because it's on a level 1. This is also from one of my classes that I taught here in my home studio, again on a level 1. It doesn't have resin yet. It still needs a coat of resin. I did not get time to resin it for this video, so just pretend it has a shiny gloss of resin on it. All right, so this is also an 18 by 24 or sorry, a 16 by 20, and let's call it sample number 2. Okay, now let's move along to my blooms. Now, keep in mind, these pieces are super old, you know, a couple months old, so they're going to be very discounted. These blooms are recent, okay? They are still going to be on sale, but they're not going to be, you know, 60 or 50 or 60% off. They'll probably be 30 or 40% off, okay? You know, if you buy more than one piece, maybe I'll give you a better deal. So keep that in mind. All right. So here we have 16-inch round, the bloom that had the halo with the amazing stuck-up piggy on it, right? So you can see how it color shifts. Then we have, that's on canvas. This one is on a wood round, okay? So this one has the nice wood edge and it's wood, okay? That is also a 16-inch with some pretty purples. All right, another 16-inch. This one is one of my favorites. I'm actually kind of sad I might be parting with it. I might keep it. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. But if there is interest, this is on a canvas. All right. And it is the blues with some gold. All right, another 16-inch canvas, my mocha latte cappuccinos. Those colors, look at that gold, look at that shimmer. This is also on a canvas. All right, and then this is a blowout, not the bloom, but a blowout on a 16-inch canvas. Those are actually really pretty colors. And then one of my most recent 16-inch, and this had all the interference piggies. So look how that looks. I showed it to you in a recent video before it was resined. Now it has been resined. So there you have it. Then we have another 16-inch canvas with the yellow pop in the center and rainbows. Really pretty. Then we have a 20-incher. This is a 20-inch on canvas and it is just my regular blowout. Okay, not bloom, just a blowout. 20-inch. And then this guy was my most recent video where I did the white cell activator, but look at that abalone in there. Look how it just shimmers. So now it has a top coat of resin, and this one is a 14-inch round, okay? And then we have this little 14-inch round as well on canvas. And this was my Space Galaxy blues, which I really want to do on a much bigger canvas, maybe a 20-incher. Then we're back to the 16-inchers on a canvas. And these are my purples and pinks with a pink base, light pink base. This is one of my favorites. Another 16-inch, but this one, as you can see, is on wood, not canvas. And this was my Halo Bloom with my stuck-up piggy. You can see my reflection. I apologize. Let me see. Hold on. Can I do this? That's better. So that is with the stuck-up piggy Boastful. Look at that. So that is a 16-inch wood round. See, look, it's blue up there and then green. It shifts. Oh, it's so pretty. And then last over here, we have my swipe with my interference piggies. This is on a 16-inch round, canvas round as well. All right. So those are my other pieces. I do have a few more. Let me see if I can get them. I have them wrapped up, but let's see here. Just a moment, please. All right, and last but not least, the last little few itty bitty pieces I have. Now these ones are super old, so these are also going to be super discounted. So let's start with my koi fish. This is on a 16-inch wood panel. So we've got I did gold and red foil leafing on that. Okay, and then we have my turtle. My sea turtle over here, again on a 16-inch wood round. My cardinals, 16 by 16-inch cardinals with my stencil. Okay, now again, these guys are going to be super cheap, 60, ish, maybe even 65, maybe even 70. This guy was part of a second piece diptych. The black one sold a while ago, but I still have the white one, rainbow. This is a 20 by 20-inch canvas. Okay, and then this one, I know, I wanted to try something different. You guys always tell me to try something different. So I tried something different. I worked my butt off on this one. Bought all kinds of molds, resin. I used my casting resin and I used a lot of alcohol ink, and I made a ton of these little bubble, whatever you want to call them. So this is on a 20 by 20-inch wood panel as well. And Yeah, I love it. Like, I mean, I love the colors, but it's still sitting here after a really long time. So this one is going to be like 75% off. I just want to see it go. So if you're interested in this remotely, this is going to be a steal for you, honestly. And then this is my tester that I did for when I was, practicing and playing with texture art. So this is also going to be super, super discounted. And then this little guy here, my little turtle. This guy, I think he's on a 10-inch round. So little 10-inch turtle, perfect resin. Look at that. So with a metal stencil turtle. Actually, this is what you're going to be learning if you're coming to Dallas, Texas to see me. That's going to be what you're going to learn in my ocean resin class. So there you have it. Okay, I have shown you everything in my studio that is available for purchase. And like I said, major discounts, people. I want this stuff gone. I want to start the new year fresh. I want to start with new paintings. I want all these paintings, old paintings, gone. So aside from the blooms, that'll be like 30 or 40% off. Everything else is 60, 70, 75% off. Okay, I'm not joking. This is the time. So if you are interested in any of the pieces I showed you, please email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. Everything is in Canadian currency, which for you in the US, it is cheaper because of the exchange rate, okay? And then just pay shipping. So if you are interested in any of these, email me. So that's it. First come, first serve basis. The painting is, once you pay for it, then is yours to claim, okay? Because I can get a bunch of emails, everyone asking for the same painting, but it's not yours until you pay for it via PayPal. If you are in the US, PayPal. If you're in Canada, e-transfer. And that's it. And if you're anywhere else in the world, because I do ship worldwide, PayPal, okay? So that is it for me. For now, I will be back with my next video, and I will do my same painting from the previous one with the Payne's Gray Cell Activator, and we'll check that out. So that's it for me for now. Happy shopping, everybody. Shop, shop, shop. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.